Guys, welcome back to another color guard video. This is what we learned on August 3rd. This is going to be the first half of section 6, okay? I'll break it down into either 2 or 3 videos, okay? Because it's a lot of counts. So, I'm going to face this way. So we just ended like this, right? 13, 14, 15, 16. This is the end of section 5. Rachel and Adrian are going to be to the back, okay? And then someone else is going to be, when I look at drill, I'll tell you who that is. But for now, it's the same work, basically. So, for everyone else, 13, 14, 15, 16. The first part is a 16 count move. So now, to the front, now we're going to go to the back. We're here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the first 8 counts. I'll do it slow, okay? We're here. You're turn over your left shoulder, okay, as you're doing this. You're going to go twist over your head. 1, 2, so it's straight out like this, and start turning. 3, 4, you're going to grab under with the thumb pointing toward the silk. Then you're going to bring it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. At a nice upward angle. Left hand is over, right hand is still under, okay? If you're facing the back, if you're here, you're going to do the same move where you're not going to turn because you're already facing the back. You're just going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, behind 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, same work, except people that are facing front are just going to turn over to the left shoulder. Same work, okay? So we're here on 8. Now we're all to the back. Everybody's to the back. Go over left shoulder again. Right arm's going to go up, and then left hand is low on the pole. We're going to swing the pole out as far and as low as it will go to the ground. Here, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'll do that the opposite way. So this is me facing the back. It's going to go 9, 10, 11, 12 is right back here. It's going behind your back. 13, 14, it's here. Cradle, 15, 16. Okay? The left hand is still on the pole. It's straight up and down. Okay? Make sure the right arm is up so when the flag comes around, you can just cradle it. Okay? That part's a bit slow. Okay? Because once it gets kind of here, you kind of take your time getting it here, but take the full counts. It's a 16. Okay? So we're here on 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so now we're all to the front, okay? Left hand is still over, and the right hand is cradled. Now, all you're going to do is kind of push the flag out of your cradle and swing it to the front. So your body's to the left, now you're going to come to the front. And you're going to push out, 1, 2, 3, grab 4. I'll do it this way. All you do is take this thumb and point it down. Go like this. So the flag goes, the silk goes up. Okay? 1, 2, 3, and 4. When it's straight up and down, you do a backwards grab, elbow away from you. Elbow away from you, and you grab down. So both thumbs are pointing down, okay? So you're on 4. You're gonna bring it around. Let go of your right hand. 5, 6, 7, grab 8. Okay? So all I did was twist it around until I couldn't twist anymore and re-grabbed it. So that it's barely hanging on by my thumb, okay? And here on 4. And try to keep this as low as you can, like close, as low to the ground as you can. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Try to keep it at an angle, like around here is good, okay? So you re-grab with the right hand, thumb pointing up. Then you're going to bring it up on count 9. Big swing. Try to get your right hand kind of low on the pole, so that it's a nice big movement. 9, 10, 11, dip 12, up 13, 14, 15, 16. I'll do it again. We're here. 9, 10, 11, dip is on 12, dip is on 12. 13, 14, finish the fan, grab 15 with the left hand, grab 16 with the right hand. So all together that set looks like this. 1, 2, 3, grab 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, left hand is over, 16, right hand is over. And you're at a shoulder hip, okay? So that's 2 sets of 16. We have another 16. This is going to be a ripple, so I'll let you know your counts once we get to band camp, but it's going to be a 4 count ripple. So the first group is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, second group 5, 6, 7, 8, third group 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Easy enough. For now, just practice going on 1, 2, 3, 4. Very simple. It's going to be a 2 count cone and then a pole hit. 1, 2, release, and catch. make sure the release and catch, make sure the pull hit is on, is straight up and down. There is a tendency to go like this, to catch it here, because you had that prep from the cone, so it's going a little faster. It's a little harder to control, but it looks really nice and sharp when you end it right here, okay? Make sure it's straight up and down. That's 4 counts. No matter what count you're going on, it's 4 counts, okay? From here, 1, 2, release and catch. It's fast, very fast. So everyone gets here on 12, basically. And if you finish on 4 or 8, you just hold till 12. So we're all here on 12. We're gonna spin over our left shoulder. 13, 14, nothing changed. And now the last 2 counts, we're gonna go flat. We're gonna go 15, 16. So now we're at like a fan kind of flat, okay? With the silk to the right. Okay, so we're here. 13, 14, 15, 16. Flat. The left hand is the thumb up. You want to put your thumb down and push. Thumb is up. As you come around, it's down. So both hands are over and you're here facing the front. Okay? Now we're to the front again. That was 3 sets of 16. We have another 16. Okay? So we're here. We're going to do a cradle into a fan. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's a cradle. I'll break that down. It's a little tough. So you want to basically do the same motion as a flag until you get here. Instead of going up and then down, you're going to come up here, let it spin over your thumb, and then cradle it. So it goes up. Here, it spins over your thumb. 1, 2, spin 3, cradle 4. 1, 2, here, as you can see here, I can't really hold it anymore, so I'm going to let it spin and then tuck it behind my elbow as I simultaneously put it behind my back, like a fan. Okay? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now it's behind you. Now you're going to unwind it like a fan. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it's a normal fan. You're going to toss 9, 10, 11. Normal toss. Okay? So in total, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11. And that's all one fluid motion, so make sure you do it as such, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It is a little tough to go from 4 to 5, but just remember, if you push the elbow back as you do the cradle, it'll be behind you and all you gotta do is unwind, okay? It's all simultaneous. So now we're here, 9, 10, 11. Okay, left hand over, right hand under, normal toss. Now we're going to the back again, over the left shoulder, again. You're gonna lift up, okay, with your left hand. Turn your left shoulder. 12, 13. I just tucked it. I really didn't do much, okay? It's fast though. So this lifts up. 12, 13. And now it's at an angle next to you, not behind you. You don't want it to be behind you. You want it to be next to you. Okay? To your right. Still cradled, but next to you, not behind you. 11. As soon as you grab it on 11. 12, 13. You can make that 14 actually, because it takes a couple counts. We'll do that. We're gonna do 12, 13, 14. Fine, make that 14. My bad. 14. Grab over with the left. 15. Grab under 16. Now we're grabbing in the silk, but we're not going like this. It's not a collarbone toss. We're not grabbing under the silk and going around. We're just gonna take our hand. We're gonna do a money hand toss. So take the L, like your thumb and your index finger, like a money hand, and go like this and grab it. Okay? So not a collarbone toss. We're going to grab it not in the middle, maybe just under the center. Okay? At a shoulder hip. So again, that part. 14, as soon as you have it, 15, 16. Okay? Alright, that will be the first part of the video. So this is section 6. It's the first half. This is part 1. So I will do the other part of the first half. This is a huge section. So we have a 12, a 16, and a 12, and that's the end of the first half of section 6. So these 416s are just the beginning of section 6. So stay tuned for the next video. And as always, my color guardians, please practice.